Welcome back to Trading Strategy number 3, day 116. How does price action move? Slowly over time, most of the time. Sudden big moves are not common. Price also moves when it wants to, not when you want it to, not when you expect it to. So plan your trade, prepare your trade, let the market do its job. It will only do one of two things. It will pay you, or it will stop you out. We prefer to be paid, but that will not happen all of the time. Just use your trading edge and let the market work for you. Please scroll down the page to find the training materials for today's lesson. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.